Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, Human Face Humanity, first uplifting all souls across the board. So, 820 hours of cookathon. Yes, 820 hours of cookathon, an attempt to break the Guinness World Record done by a Ghanaian chef called Chef Smith. Okay, his full name is Ebenezer Smith. A Ghanaian chef and entrepreneur, Chef Ebenezer Smith, affectionately known as Chef Smith, has accomplished a monumental feat by completing his Guinness World Record attempt for the longest cooking marathon by an individual. The remarkable achievement was celebrated on March 6, 2024, as Chef Smith officially concluded his culinary marathon. Chef Smith embarked on his Guinness World Record journey on February 1st, 2024 at the Ahmadiyya Shopping Center in Sprintex, Accra, with a goal of surpassing the existing record of 119 hours held by Alan Fisher. And this is what he has to say about the attempt.
After NASA breaking the world record, no Africa House started from Nigeria, you want to be more Ghana. And the inspiration by Nkwana, I decided to take this bold step.
The first man who attempted to break this record, 100 hours no collapse.
Oh yes, so no idea. 100 hours
no collapse. You know, want me and to us for him to even say you be approved and I say you be disqualifying. I didn't be a man trained.
Okay.
But Ediane no both a man and a member. Okay. But if you my man in Ediane, but we have great chefs out there. I mean, they do very well. And you know, I like to say me challenging me and then so many team may decide they say you coming out with cuisines are a bit promote to the Ghanaian dishes.
Okay.
And then menus that a bit meanwhile a bit projecting Ghana. And then I think say no you're one of the priority that Mr. T and together with my team. Yeah.
Initially planning to endure 360 hours and later aiming for 1,200 hours, Chef Smith ultimately decided to conclude his endeavor at 820 hours. Chef Smith garnered widespread attention in the later days of his cookathon, attracting a host of celebrities and musicians to the venue, including Amirado, Kofi Jama, Nanama McBrown, Clemento Suarez, Kweku Manu, among others, who came out to show their support for the determined chef. As Chef Smith officially hung his apron and utensils, the culmination of his effort has met an applause from the assembled spectators who had been following his culinary journey with bated breath.
Guinness World Record accepted almost share emra amount.
Okay.
Almost strictly rules. Into no kind of strictly rules.
Okay.
Into no a bit me this but since I strictly no ye lista.
Yeah,
brain na busu ye lista busu na busu so brain na ayekwa. One say we choose one prep chef.
Okay.
Eba no hospitality I can prep chef I say bia obeye obenwa aduane na ebia fa say obenwa jollof rice obe hia jene a o prep chef no na ebe yi jene no from na ode amount.
Okay.
Enti no obe choose one prep chef. Now wa get a standby team. Now was taken by a 35 menu guide. 35 menu guide say bia onwa anwamu.
Expressing his gratitude on his official Instagram page, Chef Smith extended a heartfelt appreciation to all who had rallied behind him, stating, "Happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you for all the love. This is for the Mother Ghana. This is for Mother Ghana." Okay, ladies and gentlemen, members, please don't forget to subscribe, like, put on all notifications so that each time we drop a new video, you will be notified. Okay, we love you all. We'll see you again next video. Goodbye.